my name is Shaurya.
And I'm Shlok.
And today we're going to be telling you how to make pizza. The ingredients you'll need for the pizza dough is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar and salt as per the taste, warm water, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. Now, let me turn it on and show you how it's going to be made. So I fermented the dough for 24 hours as I showed you in the previous process. And look how good it is already, as you can see. And yeah, this is ready for topping up and flattening.
Look at the dough. Look at my dough, guys. It looks good and smells yummy.
So me and Shlok have got our doughs out, and now we're ready to flattening it. But first, what you've got to do is you've got to put some all-purpose flour and sprinkle it on your platform. So it's like easy to like roll and And now, me and Shlok are going to start flattening our dough, and we'll show you what's next. So let's start. And you don't want to do it to the crust. You don't want to flatten out your crust too much before it gets too thin. So mainly just do it at the center. And see, look, mine is already getting out flattened and thin, and yeah, we'll come back and show you what's next. But for now, you can look at Shlok's dough. He's doing pretty good. So here we are, we're making our dough, middle stage, and hopefully we'll show you. And it's gonna be all good.
Now I have a rolling pin and it's going on this dough and I'm rolling it.
So we flattened our dough and it looks very good. It's a perfect circle. So we're gonna put some oil, which we already have. And now time for the homemade tomato sauce, pizza sauce actually. So yeah, we made it. And now we're gonna start putting it on. So we just put a little bit in the center. And now we're gonna spread it all over the pizza. And you can always add some more if you want. So now we're done spreading all the tomato sauce, which is pizza sauce. Now we're just gonna poke it just so all the flavor just goes into the dough. And we're just gonna keep doing that until we think that's enough and it's everywhere. So we're gonna put it all around the pizza, even in the middle. And yeah, we'll hope.
I'm gonna spread cheese on the pizza.
So we're just gonna spread a little bit all in a circle. I just put way too much there, but it's okay if you make mistakes because you can, of course, spread it with a finger. Make sure it's all around over the pizza. So I'm done putting all my toppings on the pizza. So I put capsicum, broccoli, jalapenos, onions, and
don't forget my favorite, pineapple.
Yeah, you can see some pineapple, yellow. And we also put some mozzarella cheese before we put the toppings. We'll put another layer of mozzarella cheese and then we'll cook it in the oven. Now that we're done all the topping, we're gonna put it in the oven. I preheated it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and it just looks so tempting to eat already, even though we've not baked it yet. I don't know what to say. Anyways, let's put it in the oven, and hopefully it'll be good. And I have a good feeling it'll be good, so maybe no doubts.
It looks so yummy.
So the top pizza is mine. And you can see it's rising up. So when it was in our hands, it was quite thin, but it's now getting thicker and it'll go thicker. So we have like about 5.5 minutes. And yeah. So the pizza's done, and just look how good it looks. You might not see the ingredients and my toppings, but they're hidden inside, like the flavor. So it's kind of like an invisible pizza. Someone just comes up and like, oh, there's no toppings, but when they taste it, there's toppings, and I'm so exciting, so excited to taste it, and it looks. It's just so exciting to just see it. I mean, that's what we did when we showed you it. And tell us how excited you are.
I'm so excited to eat this pizza. And of course, I'm going to eat the ingredients. And I'm so happy that I made it.